What's up, YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. It's your man Jay, and today I got something very special for you guys. So today we're going to be opening and unboxing the 3-in-1 stand for your iPhone, your iWatches, and your Airpods. Currently right here I have my Apple Watch Series 3, I have my iPhone 10, and I have my Airpods here, and I'm currently recording this video on an iPhone 11 Pro. So with that being said, let's unbox this and see what we got. Okay guys, so here we go. But before I get started, here's take a look at my iPhone 10. If you guys want to know how I was able to customize my wallpaper without jailbreaking and customize my icons and stuff like that without having to jailbreak my phone, drop a comment below and I'll try and figure out how to do a tutorial and show you guys how you can do this for your iPhone as well. All right, so with that being said, let's go ahead and get right into the video. So opening up the box, looks like we may be greeted with some stands or something like that. Let's take a look. What is this? Looks like some kind of stands or something. So I'll sit these off over here. Oh, this looks like where the puck goes for the Apple Watch charger. So we'll sit that off over there. Move that. Digging a little deeper into the box. Open this up right here. Okay, so this looks like the actual stand, and these look like, okay, they probably go on somewhere like that. Okay, so this is what it's looking like here. It's actually sturdy. It's pretty sturdy. It's pretty heavy. Yeah, it's actually really heavy. Got some nice like rubber material here or something so it won't slide, seems like. Oh yeah, it's pretty sturdy. I like that. We'll sit that there. Then right here we also have some pieces to actually put it together, so I'm gonna look at the instructions if it's some in here. So yep, and we got some I just want to call it some quick propaganda or something like that. And then here is the actual instructions, so it's showing us how to put it together. How many steps is it? 12 steps. Okay guys, so what I'm gonna do here is I'm not going to put this together on camera because I may mess it up. So I'm going to go ahead and put it together off camera, and then I'm going to get all my stuff set up on it, and I'll come back and show you guys what it actually looks like, all set up, done up, and charging the devices. All right, be right back. Okay guys, so I was finally able to get everything set up. It didn't really take that long. The only thing that took long was trying to put the little black tips in here to hold up the actual charging cable. That just took a second or whatever the case, but for the most part, it was pretty easy. I'm in here in my guest room, and I set it on the stand here just to kind of give you guys an idea of what it would look like on a nightstand or something to that effect. The only thing I don't like about it off the rip is the cable management piece, because you have to use every, one of your cables, and depending on where you put it at, the cables could show, which I tried to, disguise them a little bit here because I didn't set it all the way up completely like I would set it up if I was, living in or sleeping in my guest room all the time, So with that being said, I'm gonna go ahead and plug everything in and show you guys that it works and show you guys that it actually stands and, looks pretty neat. So we'll start with the iPhone first. Let's go ahead and get that on there. So we got some charge action on the iPhone. We'll go ahead and do the AirPod Pros, giving you guys charging there, and then we'll throw the Apple Watch on there as well. So just like that. So that's what it will look like on your actual nightstand, guys. I actually like it though. Like, don't get it confused. I actually do like the product. I just wish the cable management was a little bit better, but at the same time, this is just me throwing it up really, really quick and not really, being too concerned with the, cable management, more or less, being more concerned with the functionality of it to make sure it actually works and so forth and so on, make sure no pieces was broken and stuff like that, which it wasn't. So with that being said, this is what it looks like, guys. I hope you guys have enjoyed this video. This is what it looks like, the 3-in-1 stand for the iPhone, iWatches, and AirPods. I'll make sure I throw a link in the description below so you guys can actually, take a look at it if you want. Prices and everything will be in the link as well. So with that being said, guys, it's been your man Jay. I'm gonna get out of here. Peace.